Hi guys, let's welcome to another video of TechPoint. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new iPhone 12 leaks, rumors, and all the things you wanted to know about it. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. The new iPhone 12 comes in 4 models: iPhone 12, 12 Max, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. And this comes with the 128GB variant and 256GB variant. And the higher variants 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max come with the 512GB variant. All the models have the custom-made A14 Bionic chip inside. This A14 Bionic chipset is built by TSMC on a 5nm node, and all the chipset supports 5G connectivity. As per the displays go, the iPhone 12 has a 5.4-inch OLED display, and both the iPhone 12 Max and the iPhone 12 Pro has a 6.1-inch display, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max has a 6.7-inch OLED display. But here the 120Hz display is rumored to get to the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we can expect the same notches for all the models in the iPhone's lineup. But wait, there is a newer leak that suggests the iPhone will come with a full screen display. But I have my doubts on it, so take it with a pinch of salt. This time the displays of the newer iPhones are manufactured by the Samsung itself, but the lower variants of the iPhones was manufactured by the BOE technology company. This is why, because Apple wants to reduce their cost by giving to the third parties such as that BOE. It is a Chinese based company which is also manufacturing the OLED screens from past few years. As per the camera department goes, the newer iPhones have a triple camera and a LiDAR sensor. This LiDAR sensor was previously seen on the iPad's 2020 model. This LiDAR helps in AR, VR and 3D sensing technologies. The newer iPhone 12 might come with a 64 megapixel camera, where it helps a lot in the low light capabilities. And there is also a newer image stabilization technology called as a sensor shift, which also helps in stabilizing the image. As well as the leaks and rumors go, the iPhone 12 might have an ultra wide camera that also doubles as a macro sensor. And you can imagine the software side of these cameras pretty good as well. On the software side, the newer iPhone 12 comes with an iOS 14, a minor update from the iOS 13. The main issue with the newer iPhone 12 is the lack of design. Since from the iPhone 10 till now, the phone looks similar itself. There might be a few tweaks and changes, but the core remains same. The new iPhone 12 body comes with the two glass sandwich between a aluminium alloy frame. So it doesn't look different when you consider from the previous generation iPhones. When come to pricing, the base variant of the iPhone 12 starts from $649, and the maximum version of the iPhone 12 Pro Max ends at the $1,399. And you can see all the smartphone prices shown below: the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Max, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max. And don't ever think that the prices will drop. iPhone is iPhone and iPhone will be iPhone. So okay guys, let's end this video. Thanks for coming. Stay home, stay safe.